Hello, my name is Jonathan Childs. I'm the Certified Financial Planner here at Paragon Wealth Management, and today we'll be talking about some of the tax strategies we've used for the upcoming tax season. Taxes aren't exactly a fun thing. People don't really like taxes, and it's human nature to kind of put off things that we don't like. Unfortunately, if you do that, you actually may miss some opportunities. They may help you out when come tax season. A lot of the taxable opportunities have an expiration date that are December 31st. And so you may actually look back in hindsight and say, oh, I should have taken advantage of this opportunity, or why did I do something? So it's best to actually take advantage of those situations and to properly prepare yourself for the upcoming tax season. Some of the actual year-end tax strategies may include something like maximizing your 401k or your traditional IRA. This is a great strategy to use to help lower your taxable income, as well as to build some retirement wealth come retirement time. It's important actually, however, to make sure to keep in mind the variable different deadlines for these different strategies, as they do have different deadlines. Another one would be charitable donations. It feels great to be altruistic. It feels good to do that. It's a win-win situation. You're doing something for a cause that you care about, and you're also getting more tax deduction and lowering your taxes. Another one would be tax loss harvesting. It may sound a bit complex or a bit counterintuitive to take losses on some of your investments, but you can use some of these losses to offset possible gains in the future. So that's a great strategy that's often overlooked. And then lastly, I would say FSAs or HSAs. FSAs, flexible spending accounts, those are actually good, but if you do have one available to you, I would really stress that you use that money by the end of the year, because a lot of times there's a use it or lose it policy where if you don't use any of the money, then you lose the opportunity to use it. However, with the HSA or health savings account, that money goes with you, so you can build it up and pile it up, and that money can be used for retirement and to offset some of your medical expenses in retirement. But both of these also lower your taxable income. Viewing your tax withholding is, again, another overlooked step. It's something that's very important because it could be you overpaying or underpaying throughout the tax season, and it's something that can really kind of take you by surprise come tax time. So it's something that's really important to take a look at it and see, hey, listen, where am I? Get that control, know exactly where you stand with your taxes, and then you can actually, come tax time, you'll be better prepared. Not having as much stress, knowing exactly where you stand with things, not being walloped by a surprise huge tax bill that would actually offset some of your other plans you may have with that money, and would actually kind of ruin your holidays or vacations or anything like that. So I would say having control and knowing exactly where you stand is probably the biggest benefit of tax planning. The best thing I would say is, if you don't know where to start, then start slowly. Take one or two strategies that you feel comfortable with that apply to you, and put those in practice. But if for whatever reason, if you do feel overwhelmed, or if you feel like you need more help, then feel free to come by here at Paragon Wealth Management. We'd love to help you out and look at some strategies that you may overlook, or maybe just kind of help you weed out some things that you may have some questions on. You can reach me at 215-348-3176, or at Jonathan at paragon-wealth.com.